Forex School Uganda. I am Godfrey. Today I want us to look at the EURCAD currency pair. That's the Euro Canadian dollar currency pair, to see where price is at right now and where we anticipate it to get to in the next coming few hours and perhaps a few days. We're going to do a breakdown from the higher time frames down to the lower time frames to help us forecast the next move of price. Now, this is the monthly time frame, and so when I look at it, we see that price was able to break above this resistance area with this impulsive move to the upside. We see that the current candle is presently trending above it. We see it's experiencing some rejections. Probably the rejections are coming from this resistance area to the left, but by and large, we can clearly see that price is trending above this resistance area after having broken above it. But by and large, we can see that price is currently bullish, having broken above this resistance now and support area, and it's currently trending above it. So the monthly perspective is settled as bullish. So we're going to drop down to the weekly time frame to see what perspective we also get from it. Now, this is our weekly time frame. When we look at it, what we see is that price broke above this resistance area to the upside impulsively, and with this corrective move it came into the support area once again and retested it. Currently we see that it's printing bullish. Hopefully it's bouncing off to come and retest the highs that were created during the impulsive move once again. And when we take our Fibonacci tool to measure this move from the low of the impulsive move to the high of the impulsive move, we see that price is currently retesting and rejecting this 38.2 Fibonacci retracement area, which is a confluence along with the support area, and the two acting as a confluence together should act as a strong support area to reject price's downward movement and have it bounce off to the upside. So our perspective from the weekly time frame, just like we've seen from the monthly time frame, is clearly bullish. So we're going to drop down further to the daily time frame to see what perspective we get from it. So this is the daily time frame. I want us to analyze it as well. Now we see that price moved to the upside impulsively into this highs here, breaking above this resistance area, and we see that with this strong retracement it touched it, broke below it, but in doing so we know this was a breakout to the upside, a retest of the broken resistance now turned support. Now price wasn't able to respect the support area. It broke and closed below it, but just as quickly as it broke below it, it wasn't able to settle below, and it was able to break above this resistance area with this bullish candle. And we see, when you look at it closely, that it actually closed above this resistance area. And so the structure of the market has remained intactly bullish following this impulsive move to the upside and this retest of the broken resistance now turned support. Now that would mean to us that this break below the support area is probably just a fake breakout intended to liquidate those early sellers in the market, stop them out before price can move back to the upside. So this could have been a mere liquidity grab from the early sellers. Now, we are not trying to predict the markets. We are only analyzing to help us anticipate and forecast the next movement of price to the upside. Now, the other thing that we see is that price moved impulsively to the upside, followed by this correction. And after an impulsive move in the market followed by a correction, what else do we expect? We expect another impulsive move in the market to complete what we know as the impulse correction, an impulsive move in the market. And so we expect further moves to the upside following this retracement. And if we are to take our Fibonacci tool to measure the movement of this price from the low to the high of this impulsive move, we see that price tested this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, deep down close to the 78.6 retracement area, and so it's been oscillating between the 78.6 and the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement levels, which should both act as a strong rejection area for price continuing to the downside and have price bounce off alongside the confluence of this support area to the upside, back to come and retest these highs that were formed during the impulsive move to the upside. So that's our analysis for the EURCAD currency pair from the higher time frame perspective. So now what remains is dropping down to the lower time frames, especially the 4-hour time frame, which is the median time frame between the lower time frames and the higher time frames, for swing trading opportunities, and be on the lookout for the setups that meet the entry criteria according to your trading plan that you can execute upon to take buys in the market today. You could also drop down further to the 1 hour for day trading opportunities, and down further to the 30 minutes and the 15 minutes time frames for quick scalping opportunities during the day. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe, like and share the video, and also turn on the notifications so you are alerted every time I post new content on the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.